Understanding the phrase, cough up a lung in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, cough up a lung. This might sound a bit strange, but it's a common expression in English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how to use it. The phrase, cough up a lung, is a hyperbolic expression used to describe coughing very hard or intensely. It's important to note that it's an exaggeration and doesn't mean someone is actually coughing up their lung. In English, exaggeration is often used for emphasis or humor. It's believed that this phrase originated as a colorful way to describe severe coughing, possibly related to illnesses like bronchitis or pneumonia. However, over time, it has become a more general and somewhat humorous way to describe any instance of severe coughing. Let's see how to use this phrase in different contexts. 1. Informal conversation. I was coughing so hard during my cold, I thought I would cough up a lung. 2. In literature or media, authors or scriptwriters might use this phrase to describe a character's intense coughing fit. 3. Caution. Remember, this is a casual phrase and is not suitable for formal contexts. Similar expressions include coughing a storm, another exaggeration indicating severe coughing. Cough one's head off, similar to cough up a lung, used to describe intense coughing. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, cough up a lung. Remember, it's a hyperbolic, informal way to describe intense coughing. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Keep practicing, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more interesting English phrases. Happy learning, and see you next time!